quick example real quick. I'm just going to use it off of our Excel since you're going to be doing it. What's the equation in slope-intercept form? Slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b. Alright, so I need to find what the slope is and what b is. Well, where does it cross the y-axis? So find the y-axis, find the line. It crosses at 0. Okay, so it's going to be plus 0 equals, b is equal to 0. Well, I guess I could just write them down. B is equal to 0, and I need to find what m is. Remember, m is rise over run. Okay, so find a corner. Here's a corner. It doesn't matter what corner you find. Just find one, and then you're going to do rise over run. Rise over run. So how many am I going to go up? I'm going to go up 10, 20. And I'm going to go over. I'm going to go 10, 20, and I'm going to go over 10. Alright, simplify it. 20 divided by 10 is going to give me 2. So m is 2 and b is 0. So plug it into the equation. Y equals m, which is 2x plus b, which is 0. So simplify that. Y equals 2x. Then you just simply put in your answer. Y equals 2x. Enter. Terrific. Okay. Alright, now if they don't give you a graph, doesn't matter. The line has a slope of negative 10, so m equals negative 10, and pass it to the point that. So look, I already labeled x1, y1. What's the equation in point slope form? So I know point slope form from the reference sheet is y minus y1 equals mx minus x1. So y minus y1, which is 4, equals m, which is negative 10, x minus x1, which is 1. Go ahead and simplify. Minus 4 equals, open the house, say hi to everybody. So negative 10x, negative 10 times negative 1 is positive 10. Right? Make y the subject, so I'm going to add 4 to both sides. So y equals negative 10x, 10 plus 4 is 14, so plus 14. That's my equation. So y equals negative 10x plus 14. Oh, I did not say plus. I meant to say plus 14. All right, go ahead and submit. Oh, wait, what did I do? Oh, they didn't want me to simplify it. Okay, great. So you see how I got y minus 4 equals negative 10, then x minus 1. So they wanted it in point slope form. I did not read the question, obviously. Point slope form just means just put the numbers in and leave it like that. Most of the time, however, we are going to ask you to simplify to all the way where you leave it as y equals negative 10x plus 14. So either way, whatever they're asking for, you could go ahead and do. Okay. Here's one with a fraction. So let's do one with a fraction real quick, and then I'll let you get to it. Point x1, y1, slope of 1/6. Equation in point slopes. In slope intercept. Okay. So slope intercept is y equals mx plus b. Equation in slope intercept. Okay. But the equation that I need, because I'm given a point, is y minus y1 equals mx minus x1. Okay, so I'm just going to plug it in. Y minus y1, which is 6, equals m, which is 1 over 6, x minus x1, which is 0. Okay, so get rid of the fraction. Remember, multiply everything by 6. So I'm going to get 6y minus 36 equals 1 times 6 is 6, divided by 6 is 1, x minus 0. Open the house. 6y minus 36 equals x. 1 times 0 is just 0, so x. Solve for y. So I'm going to get, add 36 to both sides. So I'm going to get, that goes away, 6y equals x plus 36 divided by 6. You're going to get y equals x, or 1 over 6 x plus 36 divided by 6 is 6, plus 6. Now they want it in slope-intercept form, which it means they want it in y equals mx plus b. And you can see that's y equals mx plus b. It's y equals m is 1/6 and b where it crosses is 6. So y equals 1 divided by 6. Or maybe they're going to put x over 6. Let me see what they're going to do. Equals x over 6, because it's the same thing, plus 6. Perfect. All right. So it just depends what they're asking for. But again, you just need to ask yourself the two questions. Which equation do I use? You find slope for all of them, but which equation do you use is going to be your key factor. All right. So these should be like a nice, quick, easy review for you. And then we're going to go into the geometry part of it, which is going to deal with parallel and perpendicular lines. Okay. So I'll make another video on parallel and perpendicular lines, and you should be good with this one.